Meaning of inadequate.
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 Inadequate. The term inadequate refers to something that is not enough or insufficient for a particular purpose or requirement. It could be used to describe a variety of situations where there is a lack of adequacy, such as inadequate preparation for an exam, inadequate funding for a project, or inadequate resources to complete a task. The result of inadequacy could lead to unfavorable consequences, such as failure to achieve goals, poor performance, or inefficient outcomes. In summary, the word inadequate highlights a deficiency or insufficiency in relation to a certain standard or expectation.